Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to merge videos in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to their official website and download the actual application. After that, you can go and log into the program, but that's not necessary at the moment. But now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export and Help option. The export button is gray at the moment because we don't have anything to export. Also, we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and merge videos in Filmora. For this, we'll have to have two videos in the program. So basically choose any two videos that you would like to have it. So basically I'll put one video here, inside here, and the other video, just a second, I need to choose one from my PC, and then I can go and choose another one. For instance, let's put this one. So we have our two videos here. Now what we want to do is go and put one video here inside. We can of course go and do whatever you want with the video. We can go and just a second, we can go and cut it, for instance, from here by clicking on Control B, cut it here, Control B, and delete these two. And then we want to merge it with the second one. We can put the second one here inside. Also, we can also cut it if we want for a little, click delete, and then just put them one beneath another, and here they will be merged. As you can see, they are now merged. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us with our channel. As I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.